Hi, everybody. In this short video, we're going to talk about adding emojis in the new UI to send some fresh messages out. If you've logged into your account and you are in the classic version, select Go to your new UI. From your mass message section, I have that set to my home. You can go ahead and select the Compose button. As always, go ahead and add your description, your org name, your scheduling, who you want to send it to. All right, and we want to send a text message. You'll notice here you have two options. If you have a template that you have saved in the past, you can select that option and go ahead and edit whatever template that fits your purpose. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. Here you can see a new UI that is very clean. You have a preview screen and our action icons up top. So let's go ahead and start. It has been really hot this summer, so let's start with beat the summer heat. Let's go ahead and add maybe a sun emoji. So you can search for your emojis, maybe a fire emoji. And I did like that sunglasses one. Where was that one? Let's do sunglass. There we go. Beat the summer heat. Stop by for a buy one, get one free offer of a refreshing drink to share with a friend. I'm going to go ahead and add a few more emojis. Let's look for some people. People. Add some people right there. Also, let's go ahead and add maybe a drink right here. I'm going to say cup and a refreshing drink right here. There we go. So as we can see on our preview screen, we've added a couple emojis. It makes your message pop just a little bit. You can go ahead and save that. You can also do a quick preview before you send. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@izigg.com and a support representative will be happy to walk you through. Thanks so much.